VBout offers agencies with a social media focused offering the ability to create and curate content that has been pre-approved and ready for your end client to get inspirations from. You can think of yourself as a content provider where you have hundreds of posts preloaded, and all the end client needs to do is just search from this category and search toolbar and pick and choose whichever template they want. Okay. I'm going to show you how you can use Content Bank onto your account. And the first thing you need to do, make sure that you have that add-on installed on your agency layer. If you don't see it, go to your top right add-on section, find the add-on and install it on your account. Once you have done so, you'll navigate back to social media and you'll notice a new option for Content Bank. It might require a hard refresh to see it, or you can easily log out and then back in. On this view, I have loaded some samples. I also have created my own categories. You will have a blank slate yourself, so you can choose which categories you want and also what kind of tags you want to apply. So there are two ways to search. One is by category and another one is by using those tags. Okay. I can scroll down to see what's going on. This one has multiple images, so it's a carousel. It's suggested for LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. I can preview it, and also I can edit or delete this content. Now, as an end client, you won't see the ability to edit and delete. All you can do is either preview it or use that template. If I click Use Template, the system will automatically preload that suggested content, and the person who clicked it, all they have to do is just change, maybe an image, a hashtag, or just leave it as it is and choose the right date and time to publish it. Very easy. Okay. Now, let me show you how you can create those different content and groups. All you have to do, click from the top right corner under Add New Content, and you're going to notice the channels that we suggest this post to go out to, or actually you suggest. All you have to do is just click on them. Okay. Maybe it's a post strictly for Instagram, so turn everything else off. Write up the content. Check out this new product. Attach the media, whether you're doing it from our file manager or from Canva directly. We have preloaded these options for you for best dimensions. And then you will notice the category to add this to, as well as tags. We allow you to edit your categories here. So this shows you all the categories. You can add additional, you can delete, and you can also edit your own tags. The difference between tagging and categories, you can have an item in a category, but you can apply multiple tags to them. So you can think of it as a hierarchy of content. So under, let's say, finance, you can have insurance, you can have mortgage, you can have restructuring. So tags is a second level for your organizing content. And this is it. Once you have done so, all you need to do now is, obviously abide by these rules of upload size and so on, and add the content. Very easy. Now, as a sub-account, log it into their own system. They will see the content bank. They will choose whichever template, and as I showed you before, it can get preloaded in their queue for scheduling. Now, under user permission, if you want to add additional team members who have the ability to edit those posts, you can. You just need to apply the proper permission to them. You will notice under custom permissions, there's a little option here called full content bank access. So if you're adding a new user and you gave them full content bank access, this particular user will be able to add and remove new content from the content bank. So this means this little option right here will be available to them. We did add this restriction because if you are an agency and you have very strict compliance and approval process, you might want to log this option in and only offer it for administrators and the compliance team. So this is how you can use the social media content bank feature on VBout. Hopefully you can find it useful.